Hey guys, MDG here, and today I'm going to be opening up my new Anderson Detector shaft that I just got in the mail. I picked up the version for the White's Beach Hunter ID and the White's dual field. I'm going to go ahead and put this on my Beach Hunter ID first, and then I'll switch it over to my dual field. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we have. And it looks like UPS was pretty good on the box. You got your Made in Canada sticker here, you got your packaging list, it tells you what you ordered. I got the permanent detector shaft, I didn't need the collapsible one. You got your Anderson sticker here, my shipping label. You know, I don't see any problems with the box. Everything seems to be in good shape. So let's go ahead and open up and see what we have. All right. Got a bunch of stickers. I'd rather be metal detecting, Anderson detector shafts. Get some Anderson stickers, that's cool. You got your Anderson detector shaft business card. Let's see, we have your Anderson metal detecting shafts and accessories guide. It shows a few pictures here, shows you about their accessories, how they build it. It also tells you that they custom manufacture products to customer specifications. So if you need something custom built, go ahead and give them a call. See what else we have in here. Well, I opened up the right end of the box, because here is the shaft. All right. Everything seems to be in order. I don't see any issues with it. No problems here. Looks like it's real high quality built. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see, we got a 1-year warranty for your Anderson detector shaft, your registration card, warranty. Make sure you send this in case anything goes wrong. You're covered for a year. All right, let's take this out. Looks like we got another sticker, Anderson detector shaft sticker. Here it is. This is very nice. This is a high quality built shaft here. This is a nice arm cuff. Guys, this is looking pretty good. This is looking pretty nice. This is a very comfortable shaft right here. I didn't get the lower shaft for it because I already have a tall boy from White's Electronics and put it on there. I might contact Anderson detector shafts to get like a 40 or 42 inch lower shaft built for this to give me a really super long sweep. Okay, your arm cuff, it's got a nice padding here. This looks like a more durable padding. Your arm cuff also seems to wrap around a bit. Your arm cuff is welded onto this mount here, so you're not going to get that loose feeling that you sometimes get when you swing back and forth. Sometimes you get a click in there and you have to really tighten it down. The arm cuff has 3 separate positions here. You know, it's got a little wing nut that you could turn it out, and you can put the arm cuff any spot you want. I'm going to go ahead and leave it like that. And you got your arm cuff strap right here. This isn't a Velcro strap. This one actually tightens down. Loop this in like this, and it tightens down. You put that on, that stays nice and secure like that. You have your clips up top here to mount your control box. You also have clips right here to mount your control box. Get a nice soft foam grip here on your straight shaft, so you don't have that S shaft. Your arm is completely straight right here, which that's a great thing. You got an Anderson detector shaft sticker, and you got your cam lock here. This cam lock is a little bit different than the standard cam lock because it doesn't turn like the others. It has a little wing nut here that you turn, and you're going to be able to tighten down your shaft on it like this. That's pretty cool because, I mean, I don't really like those turning shaft bolts. So this is it, guys. I went ahead and got the yellow one to match the coil on my Beach Hunter ID and my dual field. It's a higher visibility in the water. I went ahead and got the permanent shaft this time on this one. Maybe I'll select a collapsible one in the future from one of my other machines. I'd like to show you the comparison from the normal S shaft compared to the new Anderson shaft, and this is the difference. These are the two of them. You know, one's a nice straight shaft and one's the S shaft. So as you can see, you have the option of mounting your control box up higher or down lower. I think up higher will give you a better advantage over your swing and everything. So that's where we're probably going to go ahead and use that there. So let's go ahead and put this together. All right, so I got my Beach Hunter ID disassembled from the stock shaft right here, and I'm going to go ahead and put this together. You have the option of mounting your control box up here on these pins or down here on these pins. I think I'm going to mount the Beach Hunter ID up higher on these pins, being it'll probably distribute the weight better on the swing, and I don't think I'll be hitting this toggle switch as much if it's mounted up higher than down below. So we're going to go ahead and see what happens. I mean, it's fairly simple. You just take these pins and you can push them in. I always find it pretty simple to just take this, turn this side like this, and stick these 2 pins right here like this, and then push these 2 pins in like this as you push down, and it'll snap right into place here. And there you go. Your box is completely mounted. It's mounted up real high here, so it goes past the shaft. I really like that. So far, I like the way that feels. I'm just going to go ahead and unravel my coil wire because it's pretty funky right now, so let me go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and mount my lower shaft with my coil already attached to my new Anderson detector shaft. And we're going to see what we have from there. So let me just get my wire looking good. This is the same concept as your stock shaft. You push these pins in and you slide it onto the notches here, whichever one you want. This has a few more notches than your standard shaft, and it only has cutouts on one side. It's got this cam lock here that you can easily spin with your finger and your thumb. And it looks like it's good, so I'm just going to go ahead and mount this in here right there. Alright, going to push your pins in and put it in. So you have 6 different positions here to select the height that you'd like for your shaft. I'm going to go ahead and leave it here on the first notch because I like a long swing myself. So just take your cam lock bolt, spin it, and it's in there solid. Let me go ahead and wrap this coil wire up and finish this off. Hey, here you go, guys. So we have your wire fully wrapped up. You got your extended shaft here. We got your control box mounted on the back, very end of the shaft. It goes past the end of the shaft here. The shaft has got a nice hole in there, so it's going to let the water run right through and let the sand creep out. You're not going to have anything getting stuck in there. You got your nice foam grip here. You got your nice arm cuff that wraps up a little higher than your stock shaft. You got your welded arm cuff, which is welded onto the mount, so you're not going to get that loose clicky feeling that you do for the standard arm cuff. You know, this is really nice. It's a very sturdy, high quality shaft. For those of you that have a Beach Hunter ID 300, you know that it gets a little bit heavy unless you hip mount it. And I was a bit worried about mounting this back on a shaft again, but with the control box mounted so far back here, it really distributes the weight evenly. And by it being back here, it makes the coil flow. It just flows nicely like this. Real nice piece of equipment. I'm really glad I picked up one. This is a great shaft. I mean, I can't wait to get out there and use it. The weight distribution on this seems like it's awesome, and I'm gonna be able to hunt for hours. It's just awesome. You guys have to try this out. So there you have it, guys. This is the Anderson detector shaft, and this is the permanent shaft built for the White's Beach Hunter ID 300 and the White's dual field. Make sure you check them out online at AndersonDetectorShafts.com. Give them a call. Tell them MDG sent you. They also do custom modifications, so if you need something else like a longer, lower shaft or a bigger arm cuff or something, just contact them. Let them know what you need. I want to thank you guys for watching this. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Leave some comments below. If you have any questions for me, make sure to hit me up. If you'd like to see something in future videos, be sure to ask me and maybe I'll make a video on that. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.